What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is going to be on the Toyota Camry, and we're going to show you how to put the wipers in service mode so you'll be able to swap them out. Stay tuned. All right, so I see this so often on the group, and I wanted to clear it up for everybody. So some people in the snow, other people want to change the wipers because they're worn out. They run into this issue. It doesn't go all the way up. So what you do is you come in your car. Okay, so this is a SE. It should all be the same. You start your car normal. All right, so once you have the car on, you're gonna turn it off. After turning it off, within 30 seconds, you're gonna do the sequence. Turn it off. 1, 2, 3. Hold the third one, and your wiper should go up. Mind you, the car's off right now. So now you have access to the wipers. So this is service mode for the wipers. And then to bring it back down, you're just gonna turn the car on, touch it one time, and that's it. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Once again, guys, thank you for all the support. Follow us on our IG and Facebook, and subscribe to the channel to help us grow. Once again, guys, thank you, and on to the next one.